In this session, I will guide you what is Cloud CDN in Google Cloud Platform, when Cloud CDN can be used in your Google Cloud Platform project. Apart from this, I will guide you in which scenario cases do you use Cloud CDN in GCP so that you can easily understand it. Based on your project requirement, you can implement it. Let's get started. In Google Cloud Platform is a global low latency content delivery service that helps improve the performance, reliability, scalability of website and application by caching content at strategic location around the world. The primary goal of Cloud CDN is to reduce latency and increase the speed of content delivery to end user. Guys, Cloud CDN in GCP stand for Cloud Content Delivery Network. It's a service that use Google globally distributed edge network to deliver your static content like image, video, JavaScript files and more to user as close to their physical location as possible. This significantly improves the website application loading times, leading to better user experience. Cloud CDN can be used in conjunction with Google HTTPS load balancing service to secure and accelerate the delivery of HTTPS content. This includes automatic provisioning and renewal of SSL TLS certificate. Cloud CDN seamlessly integrate with other GCP services including Google Cloud Storage, Google App Engine, Google Compute Engine and more. This integration allows you to enable CDN for your content hosted on this service with minimal configuration. How Cloud CDN works in GCP as content placement, user request, content delivery, origin phase. Content placement means guys, you configure Cloud CDN to cache your static content as at its edge location around the world. User request means when a user accesses your website or application, their request is routed to nearest edge location. Content delivery means guys, if the request content is available in the cache at the edge of location, it serves directly to the user, significantly reducing latency. And the origin phase. Origin phase means guys, if content is not cached, Cloud CDN phase it's from your origin server and cache it at the edge location for future requests. Guys, some benefits of using Cloud CDN like improved performance, reduce latency, scalability, reduce the origin load and security feature. Significantly faster loading times for your website and application, delivers the content from geographical closure edge location, minimizing latency for user worldwide. Guys, when to use Cloud CDN in your GCP project. You have a website or application with static content, images, videos, JavaScript and more accessed by user globally. You want to improve website and application loading times for better user experience. You are dealing with high traffic volumes or anticipate traffic spike. You want to offload static content, serving and reducing origin server load. Then you can use Cloud CDN in your GCP project. Now guys, I hope so you understand what is Cloud CDN and when to use Cloud CDN in your GCP project. Now I'll guide you in which scenario do we use the Cloud CDN in the GCP project. Cloud CDN in GCP is useful in various scenarios where you want to enhance the performance, reliability, scalability of content delivery for your application. Common use cases for deploying Cloud CDN in a GCP project, as you can see here: global content delivery, high traffic website, Google Cloud Storage integration, Google Compute Engine instance, e-commerce and online retail and more. And guys, global content delivery, when you have user access your content from different region around the world, Cloud CDN helps reduce latency by serving content from strategically located edge location. This is particularly beneficial for website with a global user base. Website and application delivery, guys, public website. If your website serves images, videos, JavaScript files or another files to user worldwide, Cloud CDN significantly improves loading times across different regions. Web application static assets used by your web application like icons, fonts, CSS file benefit from faster delivery through edge location. E-commerce sites optimize product images and thumbnail for rapid loading, enhancing user experience and boosting conversion rates. Guys, high traffic website experiencing high traffic can leverage Cloud CDN to offload static and dynamic content to edge location, reducing the load on origin server. This ensures a consistent and fast user experience even during traffic spike. Guys, media streaming and downloading. Cloud CDN is well suited for delivering media content such as streaming video, music or large file downloads. By caching media files edge location, you can provide a smoother and faster experience for user, especially those on slower or less reliable network. Video on demand, guys, deliver video content with reduced buffering and shutter by caching popular videos at edge location closer to viewers. Live streaming, improve the quality and reliability of live stream by minimizing latency and ensuring smooth playback for global audience. Guys, Google Cloud Storage integration. Google CDN integrates seamlessly with Google Cloud Storage by enabling Cloud CDN for your storage bucket. You can accelerate the delivery of static content stored in cloud storage such as images, style sheet and JavaScript file. Google Compute Engine instances for application running on VMs in Google Compute Engine. Cloud CDN can be used to cache the content closer to end user, reducing latency and improving the overall user experience. Similarly, guys, in Google App Engine application, Cloud CDN can be used to accelerate content delivery for application hosted on Google App Engine. This includes caching the static asset and dynamic content to improve the performance of web application. And e-commerce and online retail application, guys, e-commerce website can benefit from Cloud CDN by accelerating the delivery of product images, description and other static content. Faster page load time can contribute to improve user satisfaction and increase conversion rate. Now guys, I hope so you can understand in which some of the scenario do you use the Cloud CDN in Google Cloud project. Thank you and have a great day.